I managed to build my own house.
Wow.
Using this market.
business.
Yes.
So is the 300 the money you started with, or is the monthly money that you use to buy new stock and stuff?
And now I am using 300, but I am started with roughly $60.
You started with $60 and you managed to build a house. You managed to have two kids and they are all going to school.
Yes.
Wow, this is so inspiring, bro.
Then I have got two children. One is ECD. I managed to manage kuchikoro pasina kundikana.
Wow. Guys, you are hearing it. He managed to build his own house and he's saying that he just used $300 to run this business. And now I'm at Domboshava Showgrounds. We are talking to farmers, different kinds of farmers that are here. So today I'm going to interview one or two farmers so that you know what is going on in Africa in the food of agriculture, and the people who are selling in the streets, how people are making money and how are they doing it. So follow me. This is business as usual. People are doing their business. So we are seeing these are watermelons, bananas, apples.
I'm fine. How are you?
How's business?
The business is very well.
Very well.
Very
so,
well.
Bro, we always see you here doing business, selling things. Can you tell the world, if you are comfortable to say it even in Shona, it's okay. So, I want you to tell the world, to tell them how is the farming business.
Okay. Business, it's my personal business. I'm a sole trader. And we are some fruits and vegetables. As you can see, apples, pears, pineapples, and bananas, watermelons. And the business is running very well.
Wow, that's great. So you are here every day all the time?
Yes.
Okay.
Tunoshanda from 1 to 31 every day. Yes.
So you are able to raise a family, take care of them and everything in between.
Yes.
So it rains and everything.
Yes.
So as a farmer, there is someone out there who wants to know, or as someone who sell on the streets, they want to understand how can one actually survive from not having employment, because you know these days people are just complaining about employment. There are no employment, but you are actually making it right now. You are here, you are surviving. Can you tell other people how can they get started with this?
In short, I can say this business is very simple to manage.
Okay.
So far I've got someone who I'm working with, and roughly I am using only $300 to run this business.
Wow.
So I managed to build my own house.
Wow.
Using this market.
Business.
Yes. I managed to build my house as well. Then I have got two children. One is ECD. I managed to manage kuchikoro pasina kundikana.
Wow. Guys, you are hearing it. He managed to build his own house and he's saying that he just used $300 to run this business. So is the 300 the money you started with, or is the monthly money that you use to buy new stock and stuff?
And now I am using 300, but I am started with roughly $60.
You started with $60 and you managed to build a house. You managed to have two kids and they are all going to school.
Yes.
Wow, this is so inspiring, bro. So before we go to any further, we want to know about the challenges that you face on a daily basis as someone who is selling on the streets. What are some of the things that are really difficult, so that a person out there will also know that yes, you can do all these things. You can build a house, you can send the kids to school, but there are some of the challenges, and how have you managed to overcome those challenges?
My challenges are tinosangana nawo panapa ndekuti temperatures kuchinja kunoita weather kunongoti affectawo tiri panapa pano. Kukapisa tinopiswa, kukatonhora tinotonhorwa, kukaita mhepo tinoaffectwa kune chimeme. ndo zvinhu zvatingati zvinoti affect.
Okay.
But nepandotengesera panapa patingangoti
yeah, you may
challenge.
So guys, as you are seeing, as I'm talking to this farmer, there is a customer who is coming. Business, daily business as usual. Customers are coming, they are buying, things are going well. So we have a challenge with people in Africa who just complain and say things are difficult, I don't have anything to do, I don't have money to start. But today I'm talking to a farmer, to someone who also sells in the streets, and he's saying he started with $60 and he managed to build a house of his own. You see what we're talking about. So it's not about what you are doing, but it's about the mindset that you have. Your mindset is the one that really counts. A lot of people are making $5. A lot of people are surviving from agriculture. Here you are seeing we have bananas, apples, a lot of pineapples. Things are going so well. So today I want to encourage someone who just complains and say there is no money, there is nothing that I can do. Please, you can do something with what you have, irrespective of your background, irrespective of you don't have money to start, irrespective of all the challenges that you are facing. So we are now getting back into the topic to talk to this person who is actually doing this right now. So bro, you were telling the people about the challenges, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
In short, tingangoti ndo ma challenges akosangana.
Okay.
Wezve atina off.
You don't have an off. You work like 24/7 all the time. So what time do you start work every day?
Tingangoti 6 o'clock.
At 6. And you finish at what time?
Around 8, 9.
Around 8, 9. Yeah, 8. So this is actually hard work. No wonder why you have managed to achieve those. So I want you to leave a word of encouragement and motivation to our viewers who watch our videos across the whole world, so that they can actually know and be where you are, or even better. What can they do?
Ndingangoti in short, kune vanhu vasina mabasa vari kuita, vasiri employed, you can start with a little man. Yeah. Then from there you generate your money, you manage a business rako zvishoma nezvishoma, zvinotobuda zvakanaka. Kutengesa zvinhu zvakugona mari yakawanda, but zvine profit yakati wandei. Because the moment ukatanga tomboti, let's say watanga wakana kuti $100, $100 unomanage kutowana kana ka profit kako ke $50. Then from there zvinoramba zvitokumotivate kuti chero nguva yekuzorora hautoide, because mari iyo inongochibata every day. Saka kutozorora kwacho chacho kwautokura. Saka ndiri kungoti kune vamwe vanoda kutanga mabusiness ibusiness rakanaka kuritanga, nekuti rinokasimidza kuisa mari. Zvinhu zvinodyiwa zvinodiwa nevanhu, unlike munhu ari kutengesa hembe anogona kutostruggle than anotengesa zvinhu zvinodyiwa. Saka ndingangoti kuvanhu vanoda kutanga vakasimuka kutanga ibusiness rakanaka isingaiti.
So guys, you've heard it yourself. I don't have a lot to say. He has just told you that you can start irrespective of the amount that you have. It's all about dedication and the zeal to start and making it. And he also managed to let us, to encourage us to do that. Thank you so much, guys. This was one of the most inspiring videos that I've ever made, and I hope you guys are going to continue liking and subscribing to our video and our YouTube channel. This is Decent, your boy. Thank you so much, guys. Let's meet in the next one.